Hi, I'm Dominic Rizzo and welcome to my kitchen. I'm taking advantage of this season's luscious strawberries from Coochin Creek in the Glasshouse Mountains to make this delicious vanilla strawberry crumble. Now I love how the sauce magically starts to ooze and bubble up through the crumble. The tip for this great sauce is the addition of corn flour, a little bit of cinnamon, sugar, water, lemon zest, and the juice of half a lemon into the strawberries. We want to give that a really good stir and then pop that into your baking dish. For the crumble, we're going to mix together some quick cook oats, brown sugar, some flour and baking powder, a little squeeze of vanilla, and melted butter, giving that a really good stir. And then scatter the crumble over the top of the strawberries. Bake in a hot oven for 180 degrees for about 30-40 minutes. Until the crumble is lovely and golden and the syrup is bubbling.